Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you're looking for precision and reliability in your pneumatic control systems, the Honeywell RP7517A1009 electronic-powered pneumatic transducer delivers professional-grade performance you can depend on. This model is built for those who value accuracy and stability in electronic-to-pneumatic signal conversion. And if you want to check it out yourself, the link for the product is down below. This transducer is designed with Honeywell's trusted engineering, ensuring consistent and responsive output. It seamlessly converts electronic control signals into precise pneumatic outputs, making it an ideal component for modern HVAC, industrial, and automation applications. Whether you're fine-tuning pressure levels or managing air systems, this device ensures smooth operation every time. The RP7517A1009 features both screw mounting and snap rail options, giving you flexible installation depending on your system setup. Its factory calibration means you can rely on accurate performance right out of the box without needing complex adjustments. The unit also includes dual Barb fittings, ensuring secure and leak-free pneumatic connections. Built for precision, this transducer offers high accuracy and dependable linear output across a wide range of control pressures. Its compact and durable design makes it a reliable choice for demanding environments where stability and consistency matter most. In short, the Honeywell RP7517A1009 is a top-tier electronic pneumatic transducer built for technicians, engineers, and system designers who require both ease of use and exact performance. Now let's go over the key highlights: screw or snap rail mounting for versatile installation, factory calibrated for immediate accuracy, dual Barb fittings for secure connections, high accuracy and reliable conversion, durable and professional grade construction. So, if you're ready to upgrade your pneumatic system with dependable performance and Honeywell quality, this transducer is an outstanding choice. Here is the link for the product: Honeywell RP7517A1009 electronic-powered pneumatic transducer.